Today, take a look at the VEVOR telescoping ladder. That is nice. So I like that they actually put some effort into the packaging, and this is actually a fairly heavy piece of material right here. It's light enough that I can carry it up the stairs and around the house and anything like that I need to, which is exactly what I was looking for, but it's still heavy enough to give me the confidence that I can actually step on this thing without it collapsing. So got a lot of caution symbols on here, which is good. That's something you expect out of a good ladder. But the thing about this one that stands out is that this one can hold 375 pounds. Most of them can only hold about 330. So if you have to carry a heavy load up a ladder, this is going to be the ladder that you want. Now it says to extend it, all you have to do is step on the lower rung and then pull up the length that you want. So I'm going to do that now. And so then to make it retract, there's two buttons on the bottom. So I'm just going to press those in. Wow. Cool. When it comes time to store it, we'll just put the Velcro strap back on. And there we go. That is a cool ladder. Yeah, it's not bad. So yeah, if you want a nice little ladder that's easily collapsible, that is a great option.